Hello and welcome to a new video. This is part 2 of what's inside, and we have here the Samsung Galaxy Fit 2. So I've just broke the seals and let's see what's inside. It said this should be used with Android 5 or higher and at least 1.5 gigabytes of RAM. Let's see what's inside. As you can see, it wasn't open before, so you can experience the full view of the Samsung Galaxy Fit number 2. This is the actual wearable. So let's see if I put it on my left hand. This is how it will look. And just put it over here like that one over here, and just lock it in place. So this is how it looks. But we're not to that. We want to see what's inside the box besides the actual thing that covers it. We have here a little package. Of course, it should be some manual and the charging cable. So this is the cable. If it will focus up. Okay, and it's USB on the other hand. And you just let me just show you how easy it is. Just have this charger, and you have here the two pins. Do you see them right there? And that's it. Oops. I mean, that's it. They just slide into place. You don't need to remove the bracelet, and you just the band, I mean the rubber band, because it's rubber, and you just remove it like this. You pull from this side, from the thicker side. And let's see what else we have here. Warranty, and we have here the quick start guide. Let's see, and I want to show you how you can start it. Oops. If it's charged, touch button on the bottom. Okay, so you can see the bottom is right here. I think this is dead, but we'll check. English. I think it needs some charging. We'll try again. Yeah, it needs a few juicy, because it's really dead. Let's see if we can find out how this. As you can see, it has the pulse sensor on the back. How you can connect the charging dock, as I mentioned. And this is the tactile button. I want to see if it's visible on your side. It should be. Yeah, you can see it right now over here. But this one is dead. So see you in the next one.